guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a Harry Potter mini make it potion. I'm going to be making a Harry Potter make it mini potion today. So without further ado, let's get on to this Harry Potter potion. Okay, so I got some scissors because I know I'm going to need some. And I got some paper towel because this does get pretty messy. And I have my Diet Pepsi. So I'm ready for this. Because of all this talking makes me parched. So let's get opening up this baby. So when you open it, it looks like this. And it has H for Harry Potter. You open it up and there is all the goodies in the inside of it. There's two pamphlets. One has, like, I guess all the instructions. There is this other pamphlet. Just shows you what potions you can get and what potion you actually got. So I'm excited about that. Just shows like what potions that you can collect and here that are like the rare ones. And what is the one I got? Ooh, the one I got. I'm so excited for this one because I actually wanted it. It is the flesh-eating slug repellent. Frig yeah. So that's just what it looks like. It has like the instructions on what I have to do. The thing about these is that you don't know which one you're gonna get. It's kind of like you just gotta chance it. Bags. These are like the most exciting part of it. This is another bag. And then two more here. And then you get a table, which is really cool. I never keep the tables though, to be honest, because they're just like bulky. The last thing in the ball is this bowl and the string that's going to go around the potion bottle. And then you just close it and then it comes with like a topper and you can like display it in here if you want to, but I usually don't do that. Okay, let's open up the bags. Let's do this blue bag first. Let's see what's in here. So in here is the, why am I dropping everything? There is a funnel, which I'm going to need. And then the little cork screw. Close this like that. Put this on top like that. And you can display your potion in here. Got butterfingers today. The red bag. Let's see what's in here. Something fell out and I don't know where it is. I look like a crazy person right now. Found it! Here it is. The little spoon. I know there's a name for these, but it's a spoon to me. Came with some tweezers and a little spoon. Oh, that was in the red bag. Hey, let's open up the green bag. And hopefully it doesn't go flinging around on me. Oh, this is the little jar that the potion is going to be made in. So cute. So here is the little potion bottle. It has H on the front of it. Let's get into this bag. There's lots and lots and lots of bags. Ooh, these are the ingredients. These are the leeches. That's what I think they are. Looks like grass or something in here. And then two more things to open. This is a, ooh, well, let's drop that. This is a cauldron. They come with different cauldrons, which I really like. Where the resin is in. And then this is the basket. Yeah, it's a little basket where I can put my ingredients in after, just like that, and they sit in there. Well, I have everything in front of me that I'm going to need to make this potion. I'm going to need my cauldron. This is the resin, and I'm going to have to pop this open. This is always a pain in the ass to open up. And then there's a seal there. Come on. Alright, got my cauldron open. Ooh, it's green. So, it says to add some of the slugs into the cauldron. So, let's take these slugs and put them into the cauldron like that. Ah, screw it. Let's just put them all in there. Go big or go home, you know? Okay. I got all my slugs in the cauldron. Spoon here, and I'm just gonna stir it all together. Grab some of this grass here, or whatever it is. And it's telling me to put some into this jar. So, just gonna... and then put it inside the jar, like so. It's in the jar. Going to pour the potion into the jar. This is gonna get messy. This is the messy part. The funnel inside of the jar like this. Okay, so everything is done. All I have to do is put on the label and the string around the bottle, and we're good to go. I just have to go and put this in the sun for about 5 minutes, and then hey, I am back. The potion is all nice and dry. So I'm going to show you guys it quickly, and then I'm going to put the label on and then put the string around it. Here is the label and the string. So I got the label put on. Alright, there it is. It's my flesh-eating slug repellent.